Yo guys, what is good? Today we're going to be talking about how this crypto could be the next 100x altcoin. Please guys, do always remember this is not financial advice in any single way possible, and you do always invest at your own risk. Now let's get into the video. As you guys can see, today we are going to be talking about Tenet. Guys, build on the most secure blockchain supported by a distributed basket of LSDs, backing a native stablecoin. So we know what a stablecoin is, guys. It's where a coin does not move up or down. It's just a safe space to store your money with no interest, so you can keep your money secure and at the same price. Here we see Tenet implements diversified proof of stake restake your stacked assets to validate a smart contract network secured by the omni-chain governance. Further unlock a earning potential of your LSDs by using them in our native DeFi ecosystem to mint a stablecoin. Provide liquidity or trade on leverage, all incentivized using our native gorges. As we go down, we see unlock liquidity, maximize returns, LSDC, liquid staking dollar. As liquid staking dollar derivatives gain in popularity, an increasing amount of layer 1 tokens will be locked up in LSDs. This creates the opportunity for an innovative stablecoin backed by decentralized interest-bearing collateral and secured by omni-chain governance. So what they're saying here is, guys, this will be decentralized, so your money will be safe, it will be secure with Tenet. The stablecoin will not go up or down. This will not gain interest or anything. This will always stay the same price. You could even make a little bit of an up price. This will never go down though, this coin, which is very nice to know. The pursuit of stablecoin of all. Fully sustainable, 0% interest loans, mint LSDC, borrow LSDC from the liquidity protocol smart contract for 0% interest, earn LSD yield while having zero cost liquidity to spend, trade or hedge. As we go across, we see diversified collateral, untapped liquidity. LSDC is the first ever stablecoin mined using a diversified basket of interest bearing liquid staking derivatives from a leading blockchain. No centralized stablecoins as collateral. Economy is fueled by organic demand. LSDC is built for mass adoption. LSDC is the default money in Ava, the near first user interface of crypto built for the world's non-technical customer base. Here we go down, we see welcome to the new era of POS diversified proof of stake. Use liquid staking derivatives of or Tenet provided liquid staking for major assets like Ethereum, Binance, Ethereum, Solana and ADA, guys, to participate in network security. So here we see the diversified POS. We see a picture here you guys can look through if you really wish to. I'm just going to skip through. Here we see the Paragon shift in security. In POS networks, attacks on single staked asset can weaken the network security. Tenet's POS model uses staked positions of major assets for validation, addressing this weakness. So what they're saying here, guys, is they're not just building themselves like everyone else, they're making themselves better and bigger. They work on other decentralized crypto websites. They work on their flaws. So these guys, Tenet, are looking at others such as Binance, and we know all the others. They're looking at the others and they are trying to work on what they are bad at, which is good to know because your money is already safe with Binance, but it will also be a lot safer with Tenet, in my opinion. Here we see the intrusive ecosystem and we see the yield maximization. As we go down, also we see the industry's first blockchain with native gorges. Tenet holders can lock tokens to receive VE Tenet and vote on our native gorges. Gorge voting determines the distribution of rewards to Tenet validators and DeFi users on Tenet network. VE Tenet holders receive fees from all aspects of the Tenet ecosystem, making it the most attractive L1 token for a perpetual yield, which is very nice to know. Here we see the introducing Ava. We see introducing the human-friendly user interface for Web3, Tenet's first major application in Web3 mobile wallet featuring advanced transaction assistance. So here we see, guys, they have a new Web3 application that you guys can install. We see that you can look at your stablecoins, your Tether, your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, your USDC. You can see everything here, guys, which is absolutely great to keep up with. We see you also get NFTs, and you can see your history as well. That is called Ava, guys. If you guys want to check that out, you can go ahead and download. Here we see the yield optimization. Ava empowers retail investors with simple yield optimization strategies to execute without leaving the wallet, which is great. Here we see it finds the best offers. What would you like to talk about? What is the market situation like? We see everything, guys, here. It's purchasing the Ethereum, the transactions pending, progress, and transactions complete. They have a smart bot, guys. AI, again, a very big thing. Tenet are also using AI, which really is the future. Which makes me think that this could be the next 100x coin. This coin could go anywhere, guys. These guys can go anywhere in the world, to the top, straight to the top. In my opinion, these guys will not go down to the bottom, and that is just my advice, though. It's up to you if you take it. Ask and you shall receive. Ava makes Web3 accessibility to all. Chat and learn about the future of finance with the most up-to-date synthesized information, which is great. This bot that they have on their Web3 thingy, Ava, is very up to date. It's not behind on any cryptocurrencies and not behind on any news. This knows what is going on, which is great, and we do need AI like this to be secure with our money. We do love it. We see the Tenet ecosystem extract the full potential of your LSDs. We see they have a stablecoin, the DEX, a native gorgeous. They have Ava. They have the third-party applications developers can build, the third-party apps secured by Tenet's governance and benefiting from God's rewards. Their lending market, which will be coming soon, I'm pretty sure. They have everything on here, guys. Here we see their roadmap. So in their first go, they had their research and development, their Tenet blockchain, and the next one, development. We see in 2023 they started their Tenet blockchain testnet. They did their Ava alpha, did their LSD hub alpha as well. Now to come, guys, they have all of this in the next 4 rows. They have the Tenet blockchain beta, they have the Ava beta, they have the Ava allocation mining starts. They have the LSD hub beta, the LSDC dashboard alpha, the X launch alpha, the hackathon series launch, which is great, guys. These are in real life things that you can go to and ask questions and know about more about Tenet. If you guys want to keep reading, you can keep reading. I don't have time to read all of these out, but it is great, guys. These guys are making so much progress, and they are only going up from here, in my opinion. But they have so much to come, guys. Just look at all this, especially the hackathons, guys, for you guys to go in real life and see them in first person and know about them and get to talk to their employees. We see you can get Tenet here on the link. You can install the Ava app wallet here also, which they have just brought out. As we go over to their price, guys, we see in the past year they have gone up by 1,197%, guys, which is a huge rise. In the last month, they have also gone up at least 6% nearly. We see a lot of people on the side here saying it's very bullish. Tenet, after doing my deep research, I don't see anything wrong with this coin. Great project. It gives me early Luna vibes, and we do know what happened with Luna, guys. Luna went absolutely skyrocket to the moon. It gave a lot of people money straight away, and that's what Tenet could do, guys, because this is the future as we talk about AI and stuff like that, and stablecoins and the NFTs. They have everything. It's so good. People are putting good, it's good. Tenet net good. Tenet good, has been in the accumulation range for a month, building a solid foundation. Fundamentals are very strong and the market structure looks good. The LSD narrative, it will remain great. As we see again, Wales making the chart look like a pump and dump, but this is still a solid project. And then people are saying it's going to hit 10 billion market cap for 2025. Of course, that's very unlikely, guys, but you never know with this. You never know. As we go down, we see a lot of people are saying it's bullish. It's great, guys. They are ranked 2,743rd out of 10,000 different cryptocurrencies, which is very nice and very good. They have a 14.5 million market cap, guys, which is also great. This could go to the moon at any time. We see they are 589th in the last 24 hours on volume. Their volume right now is 1.25 million. They've got 1.2 billion Tenet in total supply. As you can see, you can go on your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to get Tenet. One Tenet is the same as 13 cent, guys. in US dollars. Which is also a very low price right now if you guys want to get in this next big money maker. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor in any single way, and you do always invest at your own risk. That will be the end of Tenet right now for today. I will be back soon making more videos on Tenet, hopefully. If you did enjoy, don't forget to drop a like and a sub, and that is me out. Peace.